Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best walkie-talkie for camping you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best walkie-talkie for camping on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which walkie-talkie are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Midland X-Talker T10. If you are searching for the best walkie-talkies for family camping that doesn't cost you a fortune, then most shop or expert would be happy to recommend the Midland X-Talker T10. This device has long been a favorite of backpackers. The Midland X-Talker T10 is basically a two-way radio that works well over a limited range. Longer range communication in open areas with little or no obstruction. The continuous tone-coded squelch system gives you up to 836 channel options to block other conversations. Use silent operation to turn off all tones. NOAA weather alert will sound an alarm indicating that there is a risk of severe weather in your area. Easy voice and sound activated transmission for hands-free operation. Also included belt clips and an owner's manual. For details, let's watch more. Our second best walkie-talkie for camping is Topsung two-way radios. If you're planning to take your family on some adventures this weekend, Topsung is certainly the best walkie-talkie for camping worth checking out. Easy to operate and portable. Apart from its user-friendly design, Topsung also includes a number of useful features. Auto squelch system, auto monitor function, auto memory function, auto scan function, auto power saving, low battery alert. Palm size, lightweight, hands-free function, keypad lock, adjustable power and volume, LCD screen with backlight, belt clip with lanyard hole, 2.5mm earpiece jack with dust plug, durable and environmentally friendly materials. Topsung adult walkie-talkies are easy to operate and carry even for kids. So they are suitable for indoor and outdoor activities, such as home, mall, CS games, camping, hiking, cycling, cruise ship, road trip, etc. With Topsung adult walkie-talkies, you can keep talking with all family members or all your travel partners at the same time. Number 3 in our list is Moiko Long Range Walkie-Talkie. Carrying FRS as its main transmission mode, the Moiko Long Range Walkie-Talkie will be an excellent choice for family trips, weekend camping, or a quick getaway. This tiny communication device has everything you need to keep in touch with everyone while out in the big outdoor area. It has a range of up to 5 miles and comes with an ergonomic casing that's easy to hold. Walkie-talkies can reach 3 miles communication range in open areas such as rural areas, suburbs or seaside, etc. where there is no shelter. If in cities or towns, walkie-talkies can reach 0.6 to 1.2 miles. Adverse weather, car, voyage and buildings will affect the range. The actual distance depends on the obstruction of the current environment. Walkie-talkies for adults have easy voice and sound activation transmission with 3 sensitivity levels for hands-free operation. Suitable for hotel management, villas, restaurant kitchens, outings, outdoor mountain climbing, construction sites, factory warehouses, car driving, cruise ships, school, churches, retail stores and supermarkets, security personnel, construction personnel, safety maintenance personnel. This walkie-talkie has bold green backlit LCD screen provides high visibility at night. Built-in LED torch can be used as both flash and emergency light. Small size and lightweight, hard and durable shell, drop-proof. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Motorola T600 Talkabout Radio. If you really want one of the best walkie-talkie for camping, there probably won't be a better option than the Motorola T600H20. This communication device is truly extraordinary. It stands out in almost all tests. You'll get nearly 100% clear audio reception at distances of up to 2 miles. In case you're in a critical situation, there's Motorola's emergency alert mode. This feature will emit a loud emergency tone and send out a 22 seconds transmission to any compatible Motorola walkie-talkie nearby. Now that's what we call a walkie-talkie for camping. Advanced built-in flashlight with white and red LEDs. Select the white LED setting on the built-in flashlight to light your way during evening activities, unexpected emergencies or power outages. Battery life up to 23 hours. Battery life up to 9 hours. 22 channels each with 121 privacy codes, with 22 channels and 121 privacy codes, totaling 2,662 combinations. It's easy to find an available channel, low battery alert present to remind you when batteries are running low. Count on the T600H20 two-way waterproof radio to keep you connected whether on land or at sea. Use the Vibra call feature where ringing can be intrusive. The keypad lock prevents your personalized settings from being inadvertently changed. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best walkie-talkie for camping list is Motorola Talkabout T480 two-way radio. The Motorola Talkabout T480 two-way radio is a truly shocking device. It's equipped with an emergency call feature, which will be very useful when you're in a place with no coverage at all. Apart from that, two-way radio fans will be pleased to know that this best walkie-talkie for camping comes with 22 FRS by GMRS channels. It also has the usual features like NOAA weather channels, weather alerts, and most importantly, an FM radio. With a range of up to 35 miles and freedom to communicate wirelessly, the T480 won't slow you down. The range in real-life conditions can be reduced from maximum range. When in danger, easily ask for help. Press the emergency alert button and the radio will transmit an alert siren followed by spoken or incidental sounds. This will allow others to know that you have an impending danger. Keep updated with real-time weather conditions by turning on the weather channel or initiating weather alerts. With these capabilities, you will always be prepared for the unexpected. For details, let's watch more.